lovely people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I think this thing is getting boring. Hi lovely people, hi guys. It's getting really boring, so we need to get some name for ourselves, right? I'm going to find a name for ourselves. Don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna find a name for you. I can't be calling you guys lovely people. I need to get a name for you. So sooner than later, I'm gonna get a name first. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my new gari photo recipe. You know, if you know me very well, you know that I like cooking and I love to explore a lot of ingredients. So I was there and I just discovered some new way of doing gari photo. Easy to prepare, very affordable, and it's so nice. So I decided to share with you today how it's prepared. You know, you need to explore food. If you're a lady, you need to explore the kitchen is for you. The kitchen is your business, so you need to explore a lot of things. So the ingredients are easy to get. Let's get right into the video.
So with me here are the ingredients for our food today. Let me start with the main ingredients. We have gari mixed with a little bit of water to make it photo. I don't know if you know photo. Yes. And here is some onions and garlic for our base. We have our eggs here, some vegetables, spring onion, green pepper and carrot. And here, this is red pepper, typical red pepper. And we have salt, a teaspoon of salt, yes, and yaji. We need yaji profit. Okay, please keep up spice. Yes, the spice of the food. Yes, and some leftover canned beef and sardine. Let's move on to our secret ingredients. Aroma fun condiments. This is not really common in Ghana. I'm sure you can probably get some at ShopRite or one of these big retail shops. But I don't know if you can. It's very good. I use it for almost everything. It has garlic, ginger, and some few other things. So you can check ShopRite and those big retail shops. My favorite girl. If you don't, you can add any spice of your preference and Maggi cube as well. Don't based on your preference. We have some nice accompaniments. I want to use some nice people with it. So with the color, I added salt, red pepper, and curry spice. That's why it's like this. We're going to fry it and add it to make it more nice. So stay tuned. You're gonna be updating you.
So let's start frying our kale wheel. Ouch! It didn't do chill. I think I was deceived. I thought it was very hot. All the same, it will still fry. Okay, let's put our oil in our frying pan. Do you know what happened? My sister didn't capture when I was putting the onion and garlic. So the onion and garlic is in it, and now we're adding our hard vegetables, that's the carrots and the green pepper, because these vegetables are a bit hard, and if you add it to a finished food or semi-finished food, it wouldn't be soft for us. At this point, we are adding our whisk, whichever way. We are adding our eggs, which is mixed already. We will leave it to fry and scramble. When they scramble, you know what I mean. So it's scrambled. We're gonna add our corned beef, leftover corned beef. As I said, it's not compulsory, but this leftover, and we can't allow it to spoil, so we should just allow it to unfold. Leftover canned beef. Is it corn? Canned beef and sardine. Sometimes it baffles me why people say sardine. But whichever way, Ghanaians and this, their phonetics. We've added our sardine, and it's time to add our pepper. Don't mind me, this pepper is too much, but don't mind me. I want people to start cooling their mouth when they are eating the food. Don't mind me. We're adding our main ingredients. Yes, gari. Gari. This student's companion. How can you can't be an SHS student without gari. Gari is everywhere. We've added our kebab spices. This aroma is killing me already. Like, it's killing me. A pinch of salt to taste, and then we are adding our spring onions. We want that crunchy taste of the spring onion. That's why we didn't add it to the oil. The aroma is killing me. This is my secret ingredients. It's not by force to add it, but I just love it in anything. Just name it, anything. I just want to add this secret ingredient. You can't miss the taste. Try it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Show the love as you always do. Love you. Yummy. Hiya kakra. Hoko kakra. This is delicious.